Another day, another story. In this video, we'll share with you some tips and tricks to help you save money on different types of insurance without sacrificing coverage. First things, when you're applying for any type of insurance, be sure to shop around. Compare prices and coverage from multiple providers to find the best deal. Don't settle for the first policy you come across. The internet is your friend when it comes to finding the best deals, so take advantage of comparison websites. Let's start with health insurance. One way to save money on health insurance is to choose a high-deductible plan. These plans typically have lower monthly premiums, but higher out-of-pocket costs. However, if you're generally healthy and don't anticipate needing many medical services, a high-deductible plan could save you money. When it comes to home insurance, installing safety features such as smoke detectors and security systems can help reduce your risk and lower your premium. Insurance companies like to see that you're taking steps to protect your home and belongings. If you're looking for auto insurance, driving safely can lead to lower rates. Insurance companies often use your driving record to determine your premium, so make sure you're driving safely and following the rules of the road. Avoiding speeding tickets and accidents can help you save money on your insurance. Let's talk about life insurance. One way to save money on life insurance is to buy term life insurance instead of whole life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period, usually 10, 20, or 30 years. It's generally less expensive than whole life insurance, which provides coverage for your entire life. Finally, let's not forget about pet insurance. Just like with any other type of insurance, it's important to shop around and compare prices and coverage from different providers. Consider choosing a policy with a higher deductible to lower your monthly premium. Here are some lesser-known tips to help you win at different insurance and keep more money in your pocket. 1. Consider bundling your insurance policies. Many insurance providers offer discounts if you bundle multiple policies, such as home and auto insurance. Be sure to compare prices to ensure you're getting the best deal. 2. Look into usage-based insurance for your car. Some insurance providers offer policies based on how much you drive and how safely you drive. If you're a safe driver who doesn't drive often, this could save you money on your car insurance. 3. Ask your insurance provider about discounts. Many insurance providers offer discounts that you may not be aware of. For example, some offer discounts for good grades, military service, or being a member of certain organizations. 4. Be proactive about preventing claims. Insurance providers often reward policyholders who take steps to prevent claims. For example, installing a sump pump in your basement to prevent water damage could lead to lower home insurance rates. 5. Review your insurance policies regularly. Your coverage needs may change over time, so it's important to review your policies regularly to ensure you're not paying for coverage you no longer need. Additionally, be sure to update your policies if you make significant changes to your home, car, or other insured property. And there you have it, our tips and tricks for winning at different insurance. The foolproof formula to keep more money in your pocket. By following these tips, you can save money on different types of insurance without sacrificing coverage. Remember to shop around, choose a high-deductible plan for health insurance, install safety features for home insurance, drive safely for auto insurance, buy term life insurance, and compare prices for pet insurance. Thanks for watching, and be sure to subscribe to our channel for more money-saving tips and tricks.